The Realme C35 smartphone will be going on sale in India starting from today, March 12, as the latest budget smartphone offering from Realme. To recall, the Realme C35 went official last month with sufficiently good specifications. Moreover, the phone carries a reasonable price tag of $155. As a past leak predicted, the phone launched with 3 cameras at the back and a 5000 mAh battery for drawing its juices. Furthermore, the phone comes in a polycarbonate body, and the sides feature a flat frame. You can choose between 2 highly appealing color options as well. A dedicated microsite for the new C-series smartphone has gone live on the Realme India website. The microsite confirms that the Realme C35 will go on sale in India on March 12th. Moreover, it reveals the Realme C35 price in India and other key details. Alternatively, you can purchase the Realme C35 from Flipkart. You can also get your hands on the newly launched Realme phone via a slew of other mainline channels. Now, let's check out the Realme C35 specs, price in India, sales offers, and other details. The Realme C35 comes in 2 storage configurations. The 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage model will set you back $155. However, if you purchase the slightly larger 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variant, you'd need to shell out $170. Furthermore, you can choose between glowing black and glowing green color options. Also, you can avail of a 10% discount with your SBI credit card as part of the first sale offer. Likewise, consumers can opt in for EMI transactions. However, those who place their orders via the Realme website will be eligible for receiving $5 discount if they pay via MobiKwik. Also, they can get up to $13 cash back if they pay using Paytm. Now, the Realme C35 is an affordable smartphone, but it boasts sufficiently good specs. For instance, it sports a large 6.6-inch IPS LCD with Full HD+ resolution and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. Aside from that, the screen provides a peak brightness of 600 nits and a screen-to-body ratio of 90.8% due to the thin bezels. However, the bezel at the chin is relatively thick. The display has a waterdrop notch at the top center. Moreover, the phone packs Unisoc T616 SoC under the hood. The peak clock speed of this processor is 2 GHz. The phone ships with 4GB of RAM and offers up to 128GB of onboard storage. However, you can expand this built-in storage capacity up to 1 TB with the help of a microSD card. For optics, the C35 comes with 3 cameras at the back. This includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a black and white sensor. Up front, the phone houses an 8-megapixel shooter for selfies and video calling. A 5000 mAh battery unit with 18-watt fast charging powers up the entire system. Lastly, the phone runs Android 11 OS with Realme UI 2.0 on top. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.